Let's cook an egg. First, we're going to get the pan hot. The pan already is hot. That's when you know it's hot, and water will sizzle. Be healthy. Get your extra virgin olive oil. Dump a little in there so the egg won't stick. Spread your oil around. You want the heat kind of low, and then we'll crack your egg. See, I got that pan a little too hot. But everybody else makes cooking videos. Why can't I make cooking videos? Get you a better angle. Now, to avoid crispy edges, kind of fold them back a little bit where it's real thin. That one doesn't want to fold. It's kind of thick. Take the pepper. You know what? We're making a video where I use a fancy pepper. Pepper. This is kind of good stuff. And a little bit of salt. Just a little. And it just sits there and cooks. So get to a point where all of the white part of the egg is pretty hard. Yolk's still very soft. At this point, flip her over. And don't go too hard on it or you'll break the yolk. Oh, lesson in video making. Don't start the camera when your batteries are nearly dead. Anyways, now this side, can't leave him out. A little pepper, a little salt. Flip it again. Get it nice and firm. I don't like almost raw egg. Now you've got some eggs to put on your sausage sandwich. Yum yum. Take your sausage patty, put it on there with your cheese, of course, and then put your warm egg on there. That'll be delicious. You can add mayonnaise if you want. And that's about all.